Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix emails that are stuck in the outbox in Microsoft Outlook. This issue can stop your messages from being sent properly. We will walk you through each step to troubleshoot and get your emails sending again. On your Microsoft Outlook dashboard, if you have an email stuck in the outbox, the first thing to do is check your attachment. If it is too large, simply reduce it to a smaller size. A large attachment is one of the most common reasons an email gets stuck. Just double-click the email and reduce the attachment size. Next, make sure Outlook is online. Go to Send and Receive and check that you are not working offline. You can also check your account settings. Under Account Settings, you can repair your Outlook file. Just click Repair on your email account. After that, restart Outlook. Once it restarts, your messages should be sent successfully. We have now fixed the stuck emails in your Outlook outbox. Your messages should now be sending normally and your outbox will stay clear.